Yeah. Good morning, παιδιά. This is Dimitris, Jimmy's Chapas. As you know, behind me I have the lady. Cycladic art. A project I do somewhere in the world which is dedicated to Hellenism around the world. This project actually got a lot of awards, national awards, international awards, so it makes it very nice, no? But this morning again, I found some direct messages from Greeks. Imagine, from Greeks, from my own people, that really busted my balls. Because I love humor. I love humor because it's like music, like mathematics, science. It's something that, and any art, dance, it brings people together, humor. But every once in a while, you have an asshole or two who take the liberty, no? Jimmy, how do you speak like this? Learn to speak English. Malaka Greeks, we don't speak like this. We are a peasant. All right. So we change the narrative. If you want me to increase my lexical or my richness in vocabulary, if you want me to increase the semantics and change my rhetoric with a more, let's say, metaphoric strategy, or with aphorisms, just as we have all the wise Greeks in our history, I don't have the slightest problem. Trust me. The only problem is that assholes like you will have great difficulty in understanding it. Which is why genies selected a more accessible and a funny way to do humor. Why? Because the way Jimmy speaks, in most cases, is the image social consciousness has of Greeks when they come to Greece for tourism. So I thought it would be funny to kind of satirize this type of linguistic expression. On the other hand, si vous voulez qu'on parle français, on parle français, il n'y a aucun problème. On peut aussi faire de l'humour en français. Et pour le français, j'ai un autre personnage qui s'appelle Jean de la Grenouille. Alors pourquoi est-ce que je parle pas français? Parce que la plupart des gens parlent anglais e peu de gens parlent français. C'è un altro, se vuoi possiamo parlare anche italiano, non c'è problema nessuno, perché un personaggio che si chiama Giacomo Pistoni al servizio di Tinder, a me personalmente mi piace molto questo personaggio, ma se faccio tutti i video in italiano puoi capire che quelli che vadano a compartire i video sono tutti italiani, cioè perché i grechi non parlano italiano. En français d'ailleurs, j'ai deux personnages. J'ai Wilfred Desbandés, qui déteste le colonialisme, et j'ai Jean de la Grenouille. J'ai Giacomo Pistone en italien. Y si quieres que hablemos español, también podemos hablar español, sin ningún problema. Yo te hablo lo que tú quieras, en el idioma que tú quieras, con el estilo narrativo lingüístico y el léxico y la riqueza de vocabulario que tú quieras. Podemos hablar en metáforas o en aforismos. Just one thing, my friend, don't bust my balls. Don't bust my balls. If you want to bust my balls, we can increase the intellectual level. The problem is that, will you stand it? Are you up to that intellectual level? Malaka, don't touch Jimmy's balls, please, not on a Friday morning. The Greek genius to all these assholes who send me the direct messages. That's how you speak Greek, only Malakas. The only Malakas is you, ante και γάμις.